This is way more complicated than I thought it would be.
Can we skip this one?
No.
I don't remember how to do this math anymore.
I think I just...
No, you just nada.
I like this already. 1, 2, 3. Australia.
Antarctica.
Oh, you stupid.
Yes, I got it.
I didn't even... I have no idea.
I don't like these
That's
questions.
easy.
Don't say easy. You're going to embarrass yourself. I hope I don't fail too much, because that would be embarrassing.
3, 2, 1.
Hello,
guys.
Hello?
Hello, guys! O vídeo de hoje, se preparem que vai ser todo em inglês. O título vai ser Are We Smarter Than a Fifth Grader? Então, basicamente, são perguntas que uma pessoa de quinta série, uma criança, saberia responder. Então, vamos ver se a gente vai, se a nossa memória tá boa bastante, assim como uma pessoa da quinta série. Então, aproveitem para ativar a legenda, que a gente colocou toda em português, toda em inglês, para vocês acompanharem e aprenderem um pouco com essa dinâmica. O objetivo desse vídeo é a gente testar o nosso listening para entender uma pergunta, de certa forma, que pode ser complexa, já que a gente não estudou em escola americana para aprender história, matemática, essas coisas em inglês. E também para responder essas perguntas em inglês, né, interagindo em inglês o tempo todo. Então é isso, vamos ver quem vai ganhar. Lembrando que nós não vimos as perguntas, tá? Eu escolhi um link, mandei para a Lívia que está atrás das câmeras, e ela vai fazer as perguntas pra gente aqui, responder uma por uma. Let's go.
Ai. Mas aqui como é que vai ser? A gente
Vai
vai
completely
anotar.
in English.
Oh, sorry. We don't have to necessarily have the same answers
No, there's one
this time.
correct answer. That's the
Okay.
thing.
Do we have some time to answer though?
Yes, from the video that I saw before, people had 10 seconds to answer each question.
No pressure.
Okay, let's start. First question, Lívia.
If a car is traveling at 45 miles per hour, how long will it take to go 190 miles?
This is way more complicated than I thought it would be.
Can we skip this one?
No.
Oh my God.
Jesus. I don't remember how to do this math anymore.
I think I just...
No, you just nada.
It is not that difficult.
I'm going from 0 to 190 miles of distance.
190 is not gonna be a round number.
What? I was sleeping not too long ago, so my brain is still a little fuzzy.
I got it.
No, shut up.
Julian, try something.
Let me think. Eu não tô conseguindo nem start. Like,
You have time to try to find an
3
answer.
miles per hour.
I thought these questions are not gonna involve physics. Because this is physics, it's not math. People at fifth graders don't have physics in school, at least not in Brazil.
Yeah, I didn't get the memo. Okay, I'm almost there.
Even though we said before that we probably have 10 seconds to answer,
This
let's
one is
consider
more
that
than 10.
a complicated math, actually physics problem, is worth waiting a bit more.
FYI, below the question is subject, 4th grade math.
No way. This cannot be true.
Let's see. I don't think I have a round number, but I'm getting there. Just one sec.
I like this already.
Okay, I'm gonna stop here.
Did you reach a final result?
I got a
You have an answer to put it on the test if this was a test?
yes.
Okay.
I hope I don't fail too much, because that would be embarrassing.
Let me repeat the question.
Okay.
Yes, please.
If a car is traveling at 40 miles per hour, how long will it take to go 190 miles?
Yes. Give your answer first.
4 hours, 4.7 hours.
Almost 4.75
Yeah, 75.
Okay, but what is 75 in
In
hours.
minutes.
Oh, I wasn't
0.7.
The answer
Is
But
it
it's
minutes?
correct.
But anyway,
Our
it's
answer is correct.
4.75 hours.
which is 4 hours and 40 minutes.
Okay, let me, just for you to see.
Yes, I
Zero
need to be
point-
sure.
So Julia put 0.7, right? 4.7, so 0.7.
I stopped doing the... Okay.
I have the answer.
To you.
Yes. I think I got it right.
What is it?
4 hours, 38 minutes.
I didn't get an answer.
4 hours, 45 minutes.
What?
It's 0.75, 60 minutes, 1 hour.
Yeah.
0.75 x.
I multiplied by 60, which is the same.
4 hours 35. Okay.
Okay, this is taking
Anyway,
longer than we
Close
wanted.
We'll see. Next,
4.75 hours.
we're gonna do the math later to say who got it right or closer. Next question.
True or false?
Okay.
The following picture is a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Okay.
True or false?
False. I don't know the name of this dinosaur,
Dinosaur.
but it's not a Tyrannosaurus.
You're right. It's a Stegosaurus.
Okay, maybe a kid that is a boy would know this name.
Let's
Next.
not stigmatize.
True.
Good call.
Next.
How many nouns are in the following sentence?
Okay.
The rabbit ran to the cafeteria and ate a big salad.
Okay.
Easy. How many?
3.
Yes. Rabbit, cafeteria, and salad.
Alright.
That's right.
Next.
What unit of measurement is abbreviated as Oz?
As what?
Oz.
Oz.
Okay.
Oh, Oz from the story.
Yes, Oz.
Oh,
I know it.
oh, wait.
She didn't get
It's
the
not from
answer
the
right.
story. I said
No.
from the story. You said yes.
Marina. No.
Oz
You're
right
crazy.
is the name of the story.
Okay.
She didn't get
Oh, yes.
this question.
Okay, the answer is ounces.
True, correct.
Look at us.
Next.
True or false? The human shoulder is a ball and socket joint.
Again, we didn't have
What?
classes in English about the human body and
Yes.
anything. So it's going to be a guess.
True or false?
True.
True.
Okay. Next.
Which one of these is a mammal?
Okay.
A seahorse, a sea lion, or a sea urchin?
Whatever that means.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Sea lion.
Correct.
Yep.
Which continent is the least populated?
Oh,
that's the question. There are no
Yes, that's the
options.
question.
interesting fact. Okay, the continents that we know as continents here in Brazil are different from the ones that people learn in the U.S.
Do you want me to give you options?
Yes.
Yes, give us options.
Asia, Australia, also known as Oceania, Europe, and Antarctica.
Seriously.
Yeah.
I knew you would make it too easy.
No, but I would already guess this one.
Would you guess this one?
No.
Really?
Because I was still separating in my mind the continents, you know? And first we think of the ones that are actually populated.
Fun fact. People in the U.S. learned that North America is one continent and South America is another continent. And there is no central. We have a central, right?
Central America.
Yeah.
But it's all one country, one continent, guys.
To us here in Brazil. 1, 2, 3. Australia. Oh, you stupid.
Yes, I got a point.
I didn't really listen to that. Because
Did you write it down?
you know what
You
happened?
wrote down the options.
No,
You said
no,
it. Of course I would answer that.
no. The thing is, I was thinking of Australia the whole time, but I didn't know if it was called Oceania or something close to the
Yeah.
Portuguese version.
I was going to
And then-
answer that.
When you started
first.
saying the options, I stopped listening at the option that I
I can
wanted.
see that.
Okay.
Oh, that
Next.
was ridiculous.
Next question. Since the late 30s, what calendar date has been designated for the inauguration of a United States president?
Okay, I have
no
a guess.
idea.
Do you want options?
I want you to repeat the question, please.
Since the late 1930s, what calendar date has been designated for the inauguration of a United States president?
I have a strong guess.
I have no idea. Okay, maybe options?
Can I give options, Marina?
No, I don't know the answer. If both of us need
Let's see if you
options,
know the answer.
Judith, did you write down?
No, I wrote 19.
19 what?
I don't know.
it's a date. You need to
I
at least
know.
choose a month.
Calendar date.
Oh,
You
it's a
need to choose
calendar
a
date.
month. Of course.
Can you read it again?
Oh my god. The question didn't change for the three
Yeah,
times that she
for the
read the
first
same
time.
thing.
I know, but I have no idea. It's in a
Just
specific date.
complete
Yes,
the 19. Complete the information.
Okay. It's gonna be an epic
know.
fail on this one.
Julia, what is your answer?
Since I put the number 19 and both of you said, okay, complete your date, I kept the 19th of some month.
What month?
I put October, but I have no idea
Okay.
because I don't have to know that.
Marina.
My guess is January 1st.
It's always in January. for
Is it?
starters.
So if it's not the 1st, I know it's around January.
The election is in October,
See?
and then the next year, the president.
So from October until December, it's the same president
but
from
only
before the
January.
election. So is
It's
it
kind of similar to Brazil.
Yeah,
is it January
the
1st?
answer is January 20th.
Next.
In the initials of the federal agency known as NASA, what does the first A stand for?
Can
Okay,
we
I have a
options
guess.
for this one?
Is it going to be too easy if we have
I don't
options?
think so.
Okay, so give us options.
American Aeronautics Association Administration.
I wrote
Oh my
down
god, this is
one of
hard.
these already.
Can
Yeah.
you say that again? The options.
American Aeronautics Association Administration.
Okay, I have a guess.
Association.
No.
No,
It's American.
Aeronautics.
Really, I thought the last one.
Aeronautics,
association.
I thought it was going to be like national or something American, blah blah blah, aeronautics. You
Yeah,
know?
that's what I thought too.
Next.
What revolutionary leader wrote the influential Common Sense in 1776?
What's the quote?
In
Common
17.
Sense is the name of the law or the.
I have no idea.
I don't like these
Let's-
questions.
Do you want?
Yes, options for sure.
John Locke, Abraham Lincoln, Thomas Paine, John Adams.
Okay.
The quote is in 17.
It's the name. The name is Common Sense. In
Oh, the
1776.
name comes.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know if it's a law, a manifesto.
Next. Okay. Do you have your choice?
Yeah.
Abraham Lincoln.
John Locke.
None of the two. Okay.
Thomas Paine.
Just because that's the only name I know, Abraham Lincoln. Next.
What was the name of the first satellite pulled into orbit by the United States?
I need
we have
options.
Yes. Explorer, Titan, Mercury, Apollo.
Easy.
Don't say he's going to embarrass yourself.
Really?
Apollo.
Marine?
Yes, Apollo as well. Apollo.
Explorer.
What?
See, I told you. Don't.
Apollo,
I should keep my mouth shut.
You should.
I think it was a mission that involved astronauts. You know, the
Okay.
satellite.
Okay,
Next.
that makes sense.
Bonus question.
Oh.
What ancient civilization built the Machu Picchu complex in Peru?
Oh,
Okay. So I have to know exactly which one.
the name. Yeah. Are the options too obvious?
I don't think.
So can you please give us the options?
I don't know how they pronounce it in English.
Yeah.
But the Mayans, the Incas, the Aztecs, the Zapotec.
Okay. Have a guess.
I'm just guessing. I have no idea.
Incas.
Incas.
They're both right.
Ooh.
What species can live on both water and land?
Oh,
1, 2, 3.
reptiles.
Are you serious? They're both
Yes.
amphibians.
Reptiles too.
Reptile. A crocodile can live in the water and land.
Amphibians. You know that.
You know that too.
Yeah, amphibians. There's
That was
nothing
embarrassing. So how are we gonna count the first one? Like if it was right or wrong?
What do you mean? The first one was right. 4.7?
3 hours later.
Good
I will
enough.
give Julia the point.
Thanks.
And I'll give it to me?
No.
What?
Both of you. Both of you.
She would give points to
Both.
both of us.
Okay. It was 13 questions, right?
Yes, it was 13 questions and I got 8 points.
I got 7. Which one did you get right? That I didn't.
Antarctica.
Okay, guys, let us know which ones we got wrong and you got right.
It was a little embarrassing, not gonna lie.
Yeah, we'll see now in Portuguese how well we're gonna do.